Hi, welcome again to Golden Academy. Stay safe in your home and watch my videos and learn from it. In my previous video, I explained you the closure and commutative property. Have you all practiced it with different examples? I know my students are very obeyable, giving me a lot of confidence to post more videos. Thank you all. Now we'll move to associative property. Okay. Now let us recall the associative property of whole numbers and integers. Okay, addition. In addition, you have to take three numbers. Okay, here we are taking three numbers. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 0 we are taking. Okay, now we are taking these numbers as a plus b plus c. Now what you have to do, you have to take this 2 plus 3. Okay, you have to take first a plus b, and then you have to separate c. Okay, now 2 plus 3 plus 0 is 3. Now 2 plus 3 is here 5. Here plus 0 we are taking. Okay, in this addition what we have to do, first we have to add second and third number, then we have to add that second and third number answer with the first number. Okay, in second, what you have to do in the second case, you have to add first and second number, and what is the answer? Your answer is the 5. Then you have to add this answer with the third number. Okay, now what is the answer here? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay, here answer is same. So it is applicable in additions. Okay, applicable in whole number and integer. Whole number and integer. Okay, so don't multiply this. Okay, most students do this mistake. What they will do, they will multiply 3 2s are 6 and they'll write the answer. Okay, here plus is there now, so don't multiply this, add this one. Okay, now subtraction. In the subtraction also we are taking three numbers. Okay, here we are taking these three numbers. So in this what you have to do, you have to take a minus b first. Okay, here we have taken b plus c. Okay, first take here a minus b. Okay, first two numbers you have to take in bracket and the third number you have to separate it. Okay, but in the second case what you have to do, you have to separate first number and last two numbers you have to take in bracket. Now we'll do this. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Again minus 2 is equals to 2 minus 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, now minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Again don't multiply this. Okay, minus 1 and minus 2 means minus 3. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is different now. So it is not applicable in whole numbers and integers. Okay, now multiplication. What you have to do in the multiplication? A into b into c, a into b into c. Okay, now 2 into 7 into 3 we are taking here. Now we have to do 2 into 7 into 3. Okay, now 2 into 7 3s are 21, 2 7s are 14 into 3. So 21 2s is 42, 14 3s is again 42. So it is applicable in whole numbers and integers. Now division. Here 10 divided by 2 divided by 5 we are taking. A divided by b divided by c. B divided by c you have to take in bracket again. 10 divided by 2 by 5. We can write it as 2 by 5. Okay, 10 into, again what you have to do, you have to invert this. Okay, 5 by 2 you can write is equals to 10 5s are 50 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Answer is 25 here. Now 10 divided by 2, that is a divided by b divided by c. Okay, 10 divided by 2, what is the answer? How many times 10 goes in 2 table? 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. 5 times. 5 divided by 5. 5 by 5. Again the answer is 1. Okay, so it is not applicable. Okay, the answer is different now. That's why it is not applicable in whole numbers and integers. Now associative property of rational number. Okay, addition. Here we are taking three rational numbers, 2 by 7, 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, a plus b plus c we are taking first here, then a plus b plus c. Here we are separating c and here we are separating a. 2 by 7 plus, again here 5 is there now, so you can take here denominator as 1. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to take LCM of 1 and 2. It is 2 only. Okay, 2. Again, what you have to see, how many times this 2 goes in one table, or you can direct multiply it. Okay, here 1 is there. If 1 is there, you can direct multiply it. Okay, 1 2s are 2, 2 5s are 10, plus here 2 is there, here 2 is there. How many times 2 goes in 2 table? It goes 1 time. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, 2 by 7 plus 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 by 2. Now again you have to take LCM of 7 and 2, or you can direct multiply, as they are co-primes. 7 and 2 is 14, 7 2s are 14. Okay, so if here 6 is there, you can't multiply 6 2s are 12, you can't write here. Okay, so that's why I'm showing you the LCM. Okay, so so see whether they are co-primes or not. Okay, 6 and 2 is there, 2 3s are 6, we are taking 2 1s are 2. Okay, 3 1s are 3, answer is 6 here. Okay, that's why do LCM, it will be better if you do LCM. Okay, 7 and 2, 7 2s are 14, we are taking. Then how many times 14 goes in 7 table? It goes 2 times, 2 into 2. Okay, this numerator you are taking here, plus how many times 14 goes in 2 table? It goes 7 times, 7 into 11. Okay, 2 2s are 4, plus 7 11s is 77, 77 plus 4 is 81, 81 by 14 is the answer. Okay, now we'll do this. Okay, so here again 1 is there, LCM is 7 here. How many times 7 goes in 7 table? It goes 1 time, 1 into 2 plus, okay, here 1 is there now, so you can multiply this. 1 into 7 is 7. Okay, 7 into 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 1s are 2, or 1 2s are 2, plus 7 5s are 35 by 7 plus 1 by 2. 35 plus 32 is 37 by 7 plus 1 by 2. Okay, now again you have to take 7 2s are 14, LCM you have to take. Okay, now what you have to do, how many times this 14 goes in 7 table? It goes 2 times, 2 into 37, plus how many times this 14 goes in 2 table? It goes 7 times, 7 into 1, 37 into 2 is 74, plus 7 1s are 7 by 14 is equals to 81. 81 by 14 is the answer. So it is applicable. Both the answers are same now. 81 by 14 here 81 by 14. Both the answers are same here. Okay, so it is applicable in addition. Okay, associative property of rational numbers under addition is applicable. Associative property of rational numbers under subtraction. Okay, here also we are taking 3 rational numbers, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 5 by 4. Okay, here we are taking minus 5 by 4. We'll try with minus 5 by 4. Okay, now 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4, minus into minus is plus. We'll remove this bracket. Okay, minus into minus is plus, plus 5 by 4. 1 by 2 minus, here denominator is same now, so you can write 4. Okay, now 4 you are taking, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 by 4. Okay, now 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, it is 2 by 1, 1 by 2 minus 2 by 1. Okay, now again 2, what is the LCM of 2 and 1? You can write here 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2. Okay, now 1 minus 2, now what you have to do, you have to see how many times this 2 goes in 2 table. It goes 1 time. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1, minus again 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, minus 3 by 2. Okay, now we'll do this. Okay, here 1 by 2 minus 3 from 3 by 4, here a minus b minus c, we are separating c here. Okay, a minus b means what you have to do here, again you have to take LCM of 2 and 4. Okay, you can't multiply this, 2 4s are 8, you can't multiply this. Okay, you have to do LCM. Here we have done this LCM, now it is 4. Okay, 4. Now how many times this 4 goes in 2 table? It goes 2 times, 2 into 1 minus how many times this 4 goes in 4 table? 1 time, 1 into 3. Here minus into minus is again plus, plus 5 by 4. Now 4. Okay, denominator is 4 here, 2 ones are 2 minus 1 3s are 3 plus 5 by 4. Okay, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Okay, by 4. Minus number is bigger here now, plus 5 by 4. Okay, now here denominator is same again, you can write 4 here. Okay, 5 minus 1 is again 4. Here you can cancel it, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, answer is 1. So the answer is different here. Here minus 3 by 2 is there, here 1 is there, so it is not applicable. So it is not applicable in under subtraction. Okay, associative property of rational numbers under subtraction is not applicable. Okay, associative property of rational numbers under multiplication, here we are taking three rational numbers, 2 by 3, 4 by 7 and 5 by 7. Here we have to separate a, we have to take a separate here, and b into c you have to take in bracket. Okay, 2 by 3, here multiplication is very simple. Okay, you can multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay, 4 5s are 20, by 7 7s are 49. Okay, 22 is 40, 49 3s is 147. Now here you have to separate c, a into b into c, you have to separate c here. Okay, okay, now what you have to do, you have to again multiply this. 2 4s are 8, by 3 7s are 21 into 5 by 7. Okay, 5 8s are 40, 40 by 147. So here the answer is same. Okay, left hand side is equals to right hand side, LHS is equals to RHS, so it is applicable. Okay, associative property of rational numbers under multiplication is applicable. Associative property of rational numbers under division. Okay, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 1 by 7. Again we are taking 3 rational numbers. Okay, now a divided by b divided by c. B divided by c you have to take, a you have to separate here. Here a divided by b you have to take and divided by c. Okay, c you have to separate here. Okay, 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 4 into, okay, into 7 by 1, you have to invert this, 7 by 1. 2 by 3 divided by 3 7s are 21, by 4 1s are 4. Again 2 by 3 into 4 by 21, you can make it as 4 by 21. 4 2s are 8, by 21 3s are 63. Okay, now 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 divided by 1 by 7. Okay, here we are taking this 3 by 4 as 4 by 3. 4 2s are 8, by 3 3s are 9 divided by 1 by 7. 8 by 9 again into you have to take, then you have to invert this, 7 by 1. 7 8s are 56, 56 by 9. So the answer is different now. Here 8 by 63 is there in LHS, in RHS 56 by 9 is there, so it is not applicable. Okay, the associative property of rational numbers under division is not applicable. Okay, now I will explain you the role of 0 and the role of 1 in rational numbers. Okay, if you add 0 with any of the rational number, the answer will be the same. Here we are taking 1 now, so 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. If you are taking 1 by 2, the answer is 1 by 2. Okay, now role of 1. Okay, if you multiply 1 with any rational number, the answer will be the same. Here we are taking 3 by 10. 3 by 10 into 1 is 3 by 10 only. Okay, now existence of inverse. Okay, first we learn additive inverse, then we learn multiplicative inverse. Okay, what is additive inverse? Here example we are taking 3 here. Okay, 3 plus minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, 3 plus minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, it will become plus into minus is minus, 3 minus 3 is equals to 0, and minus 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, what is the additive inverse? The additive inverse is that when we add the two numbers, when we do sum of two numbers, the answer should be the 0. Here minus 3 and 3 are called the additive inverse. So the additive inverse of 0 is always 0. Okay, multiplicative inverse. If any two rational numbers whose product is 1 are called the multiplicative inverse of each other. For example, if we are taking 4 here, we can write 4 as 4 by 1 into 1 by 4. You have to take the reciprocal of it. Okay, you have to make denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator. Okay, 1 by 4 is equals to 4 1s are 4 by 1 4s are 4 is equals to 1. Okay, therefore the numbers 4 and 1 by 4 are the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of each other. Okay. I will explain you the distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay, in this you have to prove a into b plus c is equals to a into b, again a into c. Okay, a into b in again plus a into c. Okay, here we are taking three rational numbers, 2 by 5, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. A is 2 by 5, b is 1 by 2, c is 3 by 4. Again a into b, what is a? A is 2 by 5 into 1 by 2. Again what is a? A is 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. C is 3 by 4. 2 by 5 into, again the LCM is 4 here. How many times 4 goes in 2 table? It goes 2 times. 2 into 1 plus, how many times 4 goes in 4 table? 1 time. 1 into 3. 2 by 5 into 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones are 3, or 1 3s are 3 by 4. 2 by 5 into 3 plus 2 is 5 by 4. 2 5s are 10 by 5 4s are 20. 10 ones are 10 2s are 20. Answer is 1 by 2. Now here what you have to do? Multiplication. 2 ones are 2 by 5 2s are 10 plus 2 3s are 6 by 5 4s are 20. Okay, now what is LCM here? 20. Okay, now how many times 20 goes in 10 table? It goes 2 times. 2 into 2 plus, how many times 20 goes in 20 table? It goes 1 time. 1 into 6. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 6 are 6 by 20. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 by 20. Again 10 ones are 10 2s are 20. So the answer is here 1 by 2. So it is same. So we got LHS is equal to RHS. So this property is called the distributive law of multiplication over addition. So here we have completed all our properties. Okay, in our next video we'll move to exercise 1.1. okay, till then, bye bye.